Hello, and welcome to this week's problem of the week from Center of Math. So this week we'll be looking at a polynomial of the form plus or minus x to the 6th, plus or minus x to the 5th, plus or minus x to the 4th, plus or minus x to the 3rd, plus or minus x squared, plus or minus x, plus or minus 1. And we are given that when x equals 2, this expression is equal to 27. So we need to figure out what it is equal to when x is equal to 3. So the first thing we need to do is figure out whether each term in the expression is positive or negative. And so we're going to use the fact that we given the value of 2 to do this. So we know that for an expression with the leading term 2 to the n, written as a polynomial is for 2 to the n plus or minus 2 to the n minus 1 plus or minus 2 to the n minus 2, so on and so forth, up until 2 to the 1 plus or minus 1 will always be greater than or equal to the expression 2 to the n minus 2 to the n minus 1 minus 2 to the n minus 2, so on and so forth, minus 2 minus 1. And that expression will always be equal to 1. So we can say that this expression will be positive if the leading term is positive itself. And we know that P of 2 is 27, so that's positive. And so what we do now is we subtract the leading term from both sides and figure out if the second term is positive or negative. So you can see we have a new expression now with the leading term being 2 to the 5th instead of 2 to the 6th. And it is equal to a negative number, negative 37. So we'll know using the same lemma as before that the leading term will be negative. And so we'll be doing this step for all the terms down to the n term. And using this method, we'll be able to figure out what the final polynomial signs will be. So you can see from this work, what we did was just determine whether or not it was positive or negative based on the resulting expression after taking the first term away from the previous one. And then we would subtract the first term from either side, or add or subtract depending on the sign. And so doing that, we get the expression for p, which is equal to x to the 6th minus x to the 5th minus x to the 4th plus x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1. So now all we have to do is plug in the value of 3 in this expression. So after you plug it in, you will get that the answer is equal to 439 when solving for p of 3. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and for more math resources, be sure to check out our website, centerofmath.org. Thank you.